وقال عليه السلام: ما كل مفتون عاتب.
Not everyone who gets involved in a fitna, trial or turmoil, is to be blamed. Fitna has multiple meanings, including trial, test, and sedition. It can refer to situations like taking sides in a conflict between two false groups, or standing up for truth in the face of falsehood. Imam Ali, a.s., said, "Not everyone who gets involved in a fitna is to be blamed." This means that sometimes a person gets caught up in a situation involuntarily, and in such cases, wise and far-sighted people do not blame them, but rather support or pray for them to get out of it. However, ignorant and narrow-minded people do not understand this and do not accept their excuses. Nehjul Balaghah by Ibn Abil Hadid. Of course, if someone voluntarily gets involved in a fitna and has the capacity to accept blame and criticism, then they should be rebuked so that they regret their actions. But if someone lacks this capacity and is stubborn, then they should not be rebuked, as it would be futile. For example, during the Battle of Jamal, Sa'd ibn Abi Waqqas, Muhammad ibn Maslama, and Abdullah ibn Umar did not support Amir al-Mu'minin, Imam Ali, a.s., in fighting against the opposing forces. Not supporting the truth is also a form of fitna. It was in this context that Imam Ali, a.s., said, "Not everyone who gets involved in a fitna is to be blamed."